How to create SMS automation in Shopify. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can create some SMS automation and campaigns into your Shopify account using the help of the Klaviyo platform. So it is very easy and very simple. All you need to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you are going to be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is to head over shopify.com and sign in into our account. So once you have did that, you're going simply to see here the dashboard or the admin dashboard. And then you need simply to install the integration of Klaviyo. I don't know if you have a account within Klaviyo or not, but you are going to need that. So if you don't have an account, you are going to create one within the integration. If you have already one, you are going simply to sign in for it. So we are going to click on the search bar at the top of the header on our Shopify store. Then we are going to type in Klaviyo like that. And then we're going to search for it in the Shopify App Store. So once you have found it, or right there, as you can see, Klaviyo email marketing and SMS, we are going to install it. In our case, we have already installed it, so we are going to open it. So now we are going to wait for the open right there, and it will take us to the Klaviyo dashboard as you are seeing here. So as you can see from the integrations, our Shopify store is enabled and also connected. The store URL is ready and everything is set. The Klaviyo app embed also is here. We are going to, you can add the viewed product tracking to my site, track the behavioral events and etc. Here we have the synchronization settings from and to Shopify. You can go ahead and use all of these data because they are crucial for future campaigns. If you have already the integration and you didn't already created or set the integration between Shopify and Klaviyo, you're going to click on here at the bottom right of or the bottom left of your store or your platform and the account. Then you are going to select integration, and from here you can add an integration from here. Now we are going to click on search integration, simply type in Shopify, then you are going to see it right away. Go ahead and add it and manage the app from there. So once you have created that, you're going to see here the dashboard and everything is connected. Now, how we can create the automations. So we are going to click on flows, and these flows are going to be created right here. So we have some samples and some templates, but I'm going to click on here and see. So now we are going to see here the integration, which is going to be from Shopify, and the channels, we have some filters. We have all the channels, emails and SMS, and etc. So go ahead and choose any channel that will suit you. For our case, we are going to use the SMS, and then we are going to see here the categories. We have some prevent lost sales, nurture subscriber, build customer loyalty, update customer on their order status, and etc. So you're going to browse here all the flows, select one of them, and then you are going to proceed to the flow itself. If you don't see your flow or the needed flow from here, you can go ahead and click on build your own, and then you're going to see the journey and build it with your own here triggers and actions. So let's go ahead and start from preventing lost sales. I'm going to use the most famous one, which is abandoned cart reminder. I'm going to click on it, and then you are going to see the description. You can see here the tags or the keywords, the name of it, the tags. You can go ahead and set it for only SMS, and also the trigger status. Here we have the prerequisites, and we have everything. So you are going to click on create flow, and then as you can see, we have a trigger and an action. Also, we have a period of time that is going to be our delay. For the trigger, here we have the word or the phrase when someone checkout started. You're going to see here the trigger, And the metric is going to be the checkout started. The trigger filter, we're going to limit the trigger to only certain profiles. You can go ahead and add a filter, or you can add a profile filter. So for the preset models or the preset templates, I highly recommend for you to just adjust a little bit from the editing and not a lot, so you will not ruin it. So the first thing right here is to see the waiting. As you can see, wait 4 hours, then you are going to send the SMS number one. I will not put it as 4 hour because this is too far. So we are going to put it here only 1 hour. So then, and for example, 1 hour only, we are going to click on save. And for the action, which is the SMS number one, we're going to set here the, as you can see here, we have some performance details, we have click rate, and etc. So here we have the content, love it, need it, gotta have it. Your card is waiting, click to check out now. So we are going to click on edit. This is a generic message for me, so I will not going to let it like this. So I'm going to let the cart is waiting for you, and also the question mark. So we are going to put looks like that you have forgot something that you liked here on the cart. I'm going to put here get it before it's gone. So here we have it. Now we're going to put a point. This message looks a little bit convincing. So as you can read, looks like you have forgot something that you liked on the cart. Get it before it's gone. So this is very, very cool. So I'm going to click on save and continue. And now you can go ahead and add some emojis and etc. But I will keep it simple like this. You can also run a/test B or a/B test to optimize the SMS. You can enable the SMS quiet hours, enable the UTM tracking, skip recently messaged profiles. And here I want to clone this one because we are going to name this as number two. For example, copy, not, we are going to put it here, number two. Then we are going to edit that message and not let it as the first one. So we are going to put it here, hurry up, you have only, for example, 24 hours to, for example, get your item in the cart before they sold out. So we're going to put this, boom. Now we are going to click on save and continue, and here we have it. And now all we need to do is to manage the flow. You can go ahead and view the flow history, add past profiles, and etc. So now I have made everything. So you can add some actions like emails, SMS, and etc. Webhooks and internal alerts, time delay. So I'm going to add a time delay between the first one and the second one. So we are going to put here another hour. So the first one was 1 hour. So here we are going to put a difference between the first one and the second one of 2 hours. Click on save. Boom. Here we have it. So now we have created our own automation SMS. We are going to click on exit, and here we have it. So thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.